Fast Loan Advance. Need cash fast, get quick, hassle-free loans with no hidden fees, whether it's unexpected expense or an urgent bill. Our Fast Loan Advances offer you the funds you need in record time. Apply now and experience a smooth, transparent process with flexible payment options. Don't let financial stress hold you back. Get the support you need today. So, what is Fast Loan Advance? Fast Loan Advance is designed to provide immediate financial relief for urgent needs. It offers quick access to funds with a streamlined application process, often without lengthy paperwork, ideal for unexpected expenses or emergencies. These loans come with flexible terms and fast approval, helping you address urgent needs financial needs efficiently. So hey guys, and welcome in this video. I'll show you how you can loan money on Fast Loan Advance. So using a Fast Loan Advance typically involves a few straightforward steps. So first of all you have to do is open your web browser and dive into Fast Loan Advance. We have your first application or first website explain Fast Loan Advance. So it's very necessary to learn a lot of information before get started. So we have your bad credit outlook, also read it, and then we have you the website of Fast Loan Advance. You click over it and this is the home page. So you choose how much money you need and your phone number, and also you write your email address and other information, then you get started. So using a Fast Loan Advance, you can also follow the steps. The first one, assess your need, determine how much money you need and for what purpose. Then you research lenders, find reputable lenders that offer fast loan advances, compare interest rates, fees and terms to find the best option for you. Then you have apply online or in person, complete the application process. You will usually need to provide personal information, proof of income and details about your financial situation. Some lenders allow you to apply online for quicker processing. Then we have review terms, carefully read the loan agreement including interest rates, repayment terms, and any fees. Make sure you understand the total cost of the loan and the repayment schedule. Then we have receive funds. If approved, you will receive the funds quickly, often within 24 hours. The money is usually deposited directly into your bank account. Then we have repay the loan. Follow the repayment schedule outlined in your agreement. Make payments on time to avoid penalties and maintain a good credit history. Then we have monitor your finances. After receiving the loan, keep track of your spending and financial situation to ensure you can manage repayments without additional strain. So by following these steps, you can effectively use a fast loan advance to address your immediate financial needs. So right now, I will give you some benefits of this application. So why we choose fast loan advance. So the first one, it's quick access to funds. Fast Loan Advance provide rapid access to money, often within 24 hours, which is ideal for urgent financial needs or emergencies. Then we have simple application process. The application process is usually straightforward and may be completed online, saving time and reducing paperwork. Then we have flexibility. Many fast loans offer flexible payment terms and amounts, allowing you to choose options that fit your financial situation. Then we have no collateral required. Often these loans are unsecured, meaning you don't need to provide collateral to get approved. Then we have also convenience. Funds are typically deposited directly into your bank account, making it easy to access and use the money. Then we have credit building opportunities. If you make timely payments, it can positively impact your credit score, demonstrating responsible borrowing behavior. Also, we have transparent terms. Many lenders provide clear and upfront information about interest rates, fees, and repayment terms, helping you make informed decisions. Then we have immediate life. Fast loans can help you address urgent financial issues such as medical expenses, car repairs, or unexpected bills, providing immediate relief and peace of mind. So, and here backcredit.org, we have first information. Also, we have Outlook here, and here we sign up with by writing your information. And here we have also various things about fast loan advance. If you wanna submit the application here, so I'll give you some advice how you can use fast loan advance. So when you use a fast loan advance, consider these pieces of the advice to manage it effectively. We have the first one, it's only borrow what you need, like borrow only the amount necessary to cover your immediate expense. Overborrowing can lead to higher repayment amounts and financial strain. Then we have understand the terms, carefully review the loan terms, including interest, rates, fees, and repayment schedule. Then we have ensure you understand the total cost of the loan and any potential penalties for late payments. Then we have plan for payment. Develop a clear plan for how you will repay the loan, budget for monthly payments, and ensure you have the means to meet them without compromising your essential expenses. Then we have avoid multiple loans. Try to avoid taking out multiple fast loans at once, as this can lead to financial trouble and difficulty managing repayment. Then we have check your credit. Review your credit reports before applying for a loan. A good credit score can help you secure better terms and lower interest rates. So then we have consider alternative. If possible, explore other financing options such as personal saving, borrowing from friends or family, or other types of credit with better terms. Then we have keep track of spending. Use the funds wisely, stick to your budget, and avoid unnecessary expenditure to ensure you can comfortably repay the loan. Then we have be cautious with lenders. Choose reputable lenders like and avoid those with hidden fees or predatory practices. Verify their legitimacy and read customer reviews if available. Then we have plan for emergencies, and then we have monitor your financial health by regularly review your financial situation and loan status to stay on top of your obligations and make adjustments if you need. By following these steps, you can use a fast loan advance more effectively and avoid potential pitfalls. So using fast loan advance can be a practical solution for urgent financial needs, offering quick access to funds with minimal paperwork. To maximize its benefits, borrow only what you need, thoroughly understand the loan terms, and plan for timely payment. Always choose reputable lenders and consider alternative options when possible. So by managing the loan wisely and staying on top of your finances, you can address immediate expenses while maintaining financial stability. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.